Abhishek Gupta joins us, President with the Gitanjali Gems. Abhishek, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Abhishek, 2 years ago, the import on gold duty was 2%, then it was extended to 4%. Now from 4% it has gone to 6%. How will that change life for you?
Yeah, well, part of our customers are still, with an investment mindset. They buy jewelry with a time frame of investment and getting returns out of that product. And although we are a big diamond jeweler, but a lot of our gold jewelry portfolio has this investment class of consumers, and they will take this as a price rise, and we are yet to see their reaction on the volumes.
Can I safely assume that you would be increasing your retail price for gold products by about 2%?
Yes, it will be passed on to the consumers. It will be taken as a price rise.
Right. Do you think this would impact demand?
We have three types of demand. One is consumers buying jewelry for investment as a purpose. The second is consumer buying jewelry for as a necessity. There is a marriage in the house. And third is buying jewelry for luxury. So the first type of demand, which is very close to the commodity prices, that will be impacted. Having said that, this portion for Gitanjali is pretty small.
Can you give me a broad sense as percentage of your total turnover? How much is coming from diamond or diamond sales, gold sales, and the mixed category?
We have achieved last year FY12 12,500 crore top line, of which 7,000 crores was from jewelry sales, and this is about 50% of gold jewelry and 50% of diamond studded jewelry. So a large portion compared to other peers in the industry, which for us that comes from diamond jewelry.
Abhishek, if you think the demand is so strong, why do I see all these discount ads floating around? I was driving on Sunday and I saw 4 hoardings of Gitanjali Gems where you're offering a discount on diamond jewelry. So one side demand is strong, second side you're offering discount.
Discount is post season. So the season started from October, November, where the Diwali and the Dhanteras was the trigger, and there was a strong marriage season following that. So as a policy, what we have is twice a year we have this we have these sales schemes for a lot of our customers who are awaiting to get some bargain out of the jewelry, and we have a lot of rotational of designs, so new design coming in and older designing going out. So this is a period where you get such discounts.
Right. Broadly, how do you see gold prices panning up from here, Abhishek? While this import duty hike will get translated into a price hike at your end, and you're saying that right now you do not see a compromise on the demand front, at least on the retail side. Can we expect more appreciation in prices going forward, purely from a supply shortage perspective, or that's not how you see it?
We are expecting the prices to remain, in this 32,000 range, or less than 32,000 range. A couple of reasons. One, the prices of last year has been too steep, and it's yet to settle down. And if you see the volumes, we are sort of stabilizing in volume as well. So unless and until there is a trigger in volumes, we don't expect prices to go up from here in a big way.
Are you telling or are you communicating to your clients that at the current level, given the way how dynamics are moving, how demand and supply equation is moving, how global parameters have changed, investing in gold is no longer a very profitable idea?
See, for us, we offer financial security through our jewelry. Not necessarily investment, is a primary object that we sell for. We have other value proposition for our customers, like the branding, like the retail experience, like the trust through third-party certifications, and for us, all these aspects also contribute to consumer buying Gitanjali products. And investment is one part of it. We are focusing on selling jewelry at a more premium levels, and satisfying more needs of consumers through that design aspect of it, through the branding part of it.
Final question is percentage of your total gold requirement. How much is coming from imports and how much are you, dependent on the domestic market for that?
We are largely dependent on imports because we are not into secondary purchases and sales market. We have, we import, we buy from banks who import, and or part of it we import directly as well. So we are largely dependent on imports.
What was the total quantity of gold you imported last year?
We consumed nearly 8 tons of gold, and I believe this will continue this year as well.
8 tons of gold. How much is that in terms of rupees crore? Translate that for us.
It would be somewhere around 2,500 crores.
And you are indicating that for this year also you want to import the same quantum or the same quantity?
It will more or less, as of now, we have in pipeline this quantity.
But you're reasonably confident that the demand is not going to come down even after a hike in import prices?
We consume gold in various forms, just not coins and bars, but we have gold jewelry, we have gold consumed in diamond-studded jewelry, where the gold portion is minority. In diamond-studded jewelry, gold portion is only 30-35% of the value. And there the diamond prices are more impacted than just the gold prices.
All right, Abhishek, we leave it at that. Thanks very much for joining us.